good. Okay. So, hi Sudaman.
Hi, Richa.
Good morning.
Yeah, from my side, good evening
Good
from
evening.
Indonesia.
Okay. Have a great good day. And you're the most welcome, Awesome Blossom English learner at my YouTube platform.
Yeah, thank you so much for inviting me in your platform. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much to join us. Thank you. A biggest thank you so much to you that you will you are with us. Once again, thank you so much.
Welcome, most welcome.
Okay, so Sudman, actually, because you are new for all, so I want to know like little bit. Could you please introduce to yourself?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Thank you, Richa. And firstly, I would like to say thank you so much for inviting me to join and speak in your platform. And it is a great moment for me to know you and to get some lesson from you. My name is Sudirman Andro and I'm from Indonesia and I live in Makassar City, the capital of our South Sulawesi province. South Sulawesi province is a central part of Indonesia and I'm working as an engineer.
Okay,
Just it about my introduction and thank you.
that's really amazing, sir. Once again, biggest welcome to you at my platform, and I'm really happy to see you here, just because of actually, first thing is that I want to aware to everyone that why we also think that English is a global language. Why is English global language? So I want to prove to everyone you cannot read only and only on the books this is the global language, because my target is and my intention is that I want to give real examples to my audience, and as well as students also. They also can be think that English is for everyone, a professional language. You are from Indonesia and you also living in which city?
I live in Makassar City.
Oh, that's really amazing. So
Yeah.
I want to tell to my students also that you are also learning this English language. Am I right, sir?
Of course, I am learning English. I'm learn English. It's very long time, and I try to practice every day. And this is the best opportunity to come here to speak in your platform. Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's really amazing. So actually, I'm really so much excited to know. I'm really so much excited to know about your country, about your country, place, tradition. Like I can read by the books and Googles, but I want to know by you. So please, just could you please tell to us that about your country? How's your country? Like you are really very enjoying your country in Indonesia.
Yeah, I really enjoy and I happy to live in Indonesia because I was born in Indonesia, and I would like to explain a little bit about Indonesia. Indonesia is an archipelago country. We have more than 7,000 islands in Indonesia, and we have five big islands, such as Java Island, Sulawesi Island, Papua Island, Sumatra Island, and Borneo Island. I live in Sulawesi Island, and especially in South Sulawesi province. And we have a lot of culture, and especially in Makassar City, we have four culture and four tribe. Uh, especially for me, I am Buginese, and Bugis is a tribe, and also we have a different culture with the others tribe. I would like to tell you one thing of Bugis culture. So if you pass in from the people, you have to say permission. And in my culture, we call tabe. 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 It means that permission. And I just said, but we have a lot of culture, and also I would like to tell you a little bit about interesting place in my country. As you know that Indonesia have a lot of island, and the most famous island is Bali. So in Bali there is a lot of tourism come from Australia, come from United States, and many others country. And especially in Makassar city, also we have Losari Beach. In Losari Beach, there is a lot of culinary, special food, traditional food. For example, there is escendol. We call escendol. There is pisang nepe, and also there is gado-gado, soup, and for foods, I would like to tell you about Choto Makassar. We have Choto Makassar, very delicious. And also we have sop conro. Sop conro, there is sop, sop baru, and many kinds of food and traditional cake we have in Makassar, especially in Makassar city. Just a little bit about my country, about my culture. Yeah, thank you.
Wow, that's really great. So, like about your native language, which
Yeah,
language do you which language do you use in your place, like with your parents and your family, with your childrens? Which language do you talk? Do you prefer to talk with them? Like you just prefer to talk with them English or your native language?
okay. Let me tell you about languages. Indonesia have national languages we call Bahasa Indonesia. But Indonesia also have more than 100 languages. Especially for me, I using Bugis because I am Bugis. I using Bugis languages when I talk with my parents, with my family, and with my neighbors. Sometimes we use Bahasa Indonesia as national languages, and sometimes we combine with the national languages and traditional tribe languages. Yeah, but when I come back to my village, because right now I live in the city, every day with my neighbors, with my friends, I speak with Bahasa. But when I go back to my village, I speak Bugis because yeah, we are. That is my habit. When I come back to my village, I using Bugis language with my parents, with my family, with my kids. Yeah, just it about
That's very great.
languages.
That's lit. Okay, so so like, can I ask you about your family?
Yeah, you can ask. No
Yeah,
problem.
thank you so much. Yeah. So, how many kids you have?
I have two kids and one wife, and I have one sister and three brothers. Yes, in my family, I am five in brothers and sisters.
Okay, that's really great. So, you are living with your family, like as a joint family or nuclear family?
Yeah, because in the past when I was child, I lived with my parents, with my brothers and sisters. But right now, because we grew up, and every members of our family are separated because we are working in different city. And for example, me, I live in Makassar city with myself, and my wife live in the village. Because sometimes I go to the out of the province to for working, and that's why I keep my little family in the village. But in sometimes I go back to the village once in 2 weeks, and sometimes once for a month. It depends of the situation. It depends of my my times. Yeah, but I try to spend my times to visit my family once in a month. Yeah,
And that's really
that is my
perfect. Yeah.
that yeah that is my routine.
So, what do you think about your parents? That seriously, that according to you, that you are perfect son for your parents?
Yeah, I like so much my parents, and
Wow.
I love so much my parents. As you know that on on my Facebook, on my WhatsApp now, I also I put my parents' name because I love my parents. My parents' name is Nandro, and sometimes I use my name. Sometimes I use my father names when I introducing myself to my friends, and also in many times I using my father names in the application in app. For example, on WhatsApp, I using my father names because I love my parents. When I was child, my parents support me to take a school. That's why right now I can get a good job because my parents support me.
Okay. Wow. Okay. So, what do you think that your parent also loves you, your parents also love you, like because you have three brother, like two siblings or more you have. So, what do you think that your parent also so much love you, rather than your brothers?
Yeah, in my feeling, I think my parents is a good person, and we are equal, brother and sister, in front of my parents. And there is no special. There is no special from my parents to all my brothers and sisters. Yeah, that is my opinion, but I'm not sure when you asking with my brothers and sisters. I don't know, but for me, my brothers is equal to all my sister and my brothers.
That's really great.
Yeah, there's no special. Yeah.
Still, I would like to ask you again that questions. Question is that have you noticed ever in your life at the time you just felt discriminations in between you and your brother by your parent? Are you getting my question, sir? I'm asking to you. Question is that have you
I didn't
ever?
get the point, but can you repeat?
Yeah, sure. Why not? Question is that have you ever noticed in your life until now about your parents that your parents also tried once in your life discriminations in between you and your siblings? Discrimination means just like you can see,
Um,
uh,
as a
Sorry, Sudriman. Sudriman.
Yes, I will answer. Eh, yes, yes. As I said, my parents is a good people, and they are equal with our with my brothers and sister. And if I don't mistake, I remember that, and also I feel that my parents never do something discrimination uh, with their child, but because I have one sister,
Okay.
maybe for my mother's, she has give special attention to my sister because I have only one sister. She was a teacher, and I think that, yeah, as a woman, I think she is special in my family, and I love my I pay attention in every time to my younger sister.
Okay. Now that's really great. Okay. So I can say that you have really very beautiful family, your wife as your child, your parents, your siblings, as you have already mentioned, beautiful sister as well.
I agree with you, and I am happy with my family.
That's really great. I'm feeling really
Happily,
ecstatic, and I can say that I'm feeling over the
yeah.
moon that I'm meeting to Indonesian person, and that person also telling to us very proudly about his family. So I can say that family is really important and valuable. I'm saying right or wrong. Do you agree with me or not?
Totally 1000 agree. 1000%. I agree that our family is the best in the world, especially our parents and our brother and sister. They are very special in the world. Yeah. So we have to appreciate and honor it to our parents and our brother and sister. Yeah.
Okay. So actually question is that suppose I just give you condition. Condition will be suppose you can imaginations.
Okay.
You can imaginations condition will be with you in future, or you can see you can imaginations in the past life or as well as future life also. Suppose you and your brother as well, okay, you have need to talk, to discuss with your parent, okay, but that time like with your brother, your parents also living with them, okay, and but that time your parents suppose don't have time to talk with you, okay, but you are really very aggressive to talk with them. You are keen to talk with them just because of you want to discuss about your family, about your problems which you are facing in present scenario, but they don't have time, and you are not getting what should you do, what kind of decisions you can take, because without parents you didn't take any kind of decisions in your life, especially when you're just thinking to go abroad, okay, and you know that when your parents will get to know, that Sudriman Sudriman has really really great opportunity to go abroad, but your parents don't want that you will go, you will shift it in abroad country, but you want to go with your family. So in these conditions, what will you choose, your parents or your desire, opportunity, that you will choose your opportunity which you which you got fortunately, I can say. Okay, but this is a very biggest target, that you have to choose only once, your family means your parent, or sorry, your parent, or I can say your bright future.
Okay, I have experience about these stories because I I have been study in Japan in 2017, and at the time I tell to my parents, and he gave me permission to go there. And I think as long related with the education, my parents always support me. My parents always support me. And I cannot explain more, but I believe that my parents will support.
So
Yes, it.
means crystal clear answer is that you will not leave your parent, you will leave your opportunity which you got for bright future.
Yeah, because when we go abroad, I think that just for study, and after we complete study, we have to come back to our city for working and meet again with my family. Yes, I had experience in 2017 when I study, when I do research in Japan, and in Japan, my father support, my family support.
That's really amazing, that's really amazing.
Yeah,
I can say that you are really very diamond son, diamond for your parents, seriously. I can say now, seriously, you loves your parent, you
yeah,
love a lot your parent.
I love my parents.
Yeah.
So I want to tell you,
Uh-huh.
when I one thing, when I come back, last about 1 month ago, I come back to my village. I live with my parents maybe 10 days. 10 days I stay in my village, and my parents never go to outside. See otherwise in the morning told with me as long 10 days. And yeah, sometimes he make a cup of coffee for me. Yeah, because my parents love me. Yeah,
Oh my
that's it.
goodness. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay. So actually, actually, I want to ask you on then that do you aware that right now you are talking to me, and I also invited to you, as I already mentioned, that I'm recording all conversation. So are you comfortable if I upload on my YouTube channel this podcast, because I really enjoyed with you.
No problem, because because I agree with your invitation. So whatever you do about this video, it is no problem. You can share in many platforms. And also, if you are uploading on YouTube, I will share your platform in my group on WhatsApp, and also I will share this conversation to my brothers and sisters and my family. This way, they can see what I do with my friends from India, and I think that my parents, my brothers and sisters will support, because I can speak English with the foreigners. One day, I will tell you one thing. When I in the village, and my parents, my especially my father, because he always near to me when I come back to my place. At the time, they sit down in the in the in the chairs, and also I sit beside him. But at the time, I joined in the international seminar, and yeah, of course, in the international they talking about everything in English. But my parents heard, listen about the seminar in English. So at the time, my father's asking me, "You understand what they say?" Yes, I understand maybe 70%, but 30% I cannot understand. Wow, so amazing because you can understand English. Yeah, yes,
So when they when they got to know about you, that you are learning English skills, and they're really proud on you. So that time you was like, you, I can say confidently that you are really, feel proud that my parents praise to me.
yeah. I'm really proud because my parents don't know. He don't know about English, and he just can speak Bukinese, a little bit Indonesia. But for me, as a son of my parents, I can speak English a little bit, and yeah, my parents are very proud with me because of uh, I can speak and I can do conversation with them very much.
Oh, that's really good. That's really good. Every parents wants every parents wants that my children's always be a successful person as a great personality. So
Yeah,
I
I
can
think so.
say that you also feel really very proud when your parents saw that you are talking in English, you are speaking in English, and because of this language, we are connected to each other. We can say because of this language, we all are can create unity.
Yeah, right, right. Yeah,
Yeah. So really, thank you so much, and I really like, I also learned many things about value of life, value of family, value of parents, importance of the parents. So
yeah,
and I really felt good when I just give you, like, condition that you have compulsion, this condition you have to choose, you have to choose only one thing, but you just choose your diamond piece as a parent. So I can say I'm really glad to meet you, because you are really very, like, belong to good family, and you have really very beautiful family. Definitely, I will also pray to God that you will always be happy with your family, and same here, your family, your children's, your wife, your siblings, and your parents as a god, that all bodies will be great, fantastic, ecstatic, amazing, splendid with you in great future. And yeah, so we will discuss next time more. And once again sir, wish you very very seriously most welcome. I really, like, I can say that now we can say that this is not our problem in India, that we are learning English skills, because this question is, in every that everyone wants to learn, and they also thinking that we are only and only we cannot able to speak in English. But you can say there is a Sudriman, and he's also learner, but he's now you can say he's not learner as a good speaker. So thank you so
Thank
much,
you so
sir. And once again,
much.
you're the most welcome at my platform, Awesome Blossom English Learner. And so, Jai Hind and Jai Bharat. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
sir. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah,
Welcome.
and I hope if you want to ask any questions to me, of course, I will try to do my best. You have any questions?
Yeah, one question
Definitely.
um, about your education and about your family. Maybe you can explain to me how many brothers and sisters do you have and your educational background. Yeah,
Definitely,
maybe.
sir. Yeah, definitely. This is Richa here. I am from Crete, India, live in Delhi. I'm a teacher. I'm teaching in school, primary sector, and I teach mathematics. Nowadays, I'm teaching in NGO because I love social work. I love to help to the needies. They are really very curious to learn, but they don't have atmosphere to learn how to speak in English. So my intention and my target, and you can say my dream, that I want to push up to everyone to speak in English. I want to push up to everyone to continue education field as well as right directions. Okay, so and about my educations, actually I am graduated. My graduation is completed in 2013 by Delhi University. And yeah, I have also my mom, really very great and beautiful mom. And we have like five siblings, four sister and one brother. And yeah, so and I have really very like very amazing grand mother-in-law also. My mother-in-law also so much loves me, and she also treated to me like as a daughter, not like as a daughter-in-law. So I can say that I am also so much lucky, and I have really beautiful family like as you.
Yeah, and I think that you have one brothers
One
and
brother,
three sisters.
four
In
sister. I have four
four,
sister, included
four
me.
sisters, including you.
Yes.
The opposite with me. I have one sister, but we have brothers, including me. Yeah, I five in brothers and sister, and also you five in brother and sister, but you only is one sister, one brothers,
It's okay.
one man.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. One one brother I have, and I am younger more than all. All buddies are older than me.
Oh, you are the younger
Yeah.
in your brothers and sisters. Oh, very amazing. And I think that your parents have a special for the younger, and also because you are a woman, and I think that you are the special in your family.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you so much and have a great good day. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Yeah. So
And
I actually want to ask one questions. Do you like I don't know that what you think, that I want to know about your happy, that you're really happy to come at my platform.
yeah, I really happy because during this pandemic, I try to improve my English by join in many Zoom meeting and also on WhatsApp group. I try to understand people when they send message on WhatsApp and also on Facebook. And also, uh, in many times, people invite me to come on his platform to speak as a guest speaker. And I think today I have a special opportunity from you to come in your platform to speak in English. So it's very amazing, and I'm really happy because I am happy because I can communicate with you in English and you understand me what I say. It means that my English a little bit improved than before.
Yeah.
And of course, that my confidence increasing to speak in front the foreigners. Yeah,
Exactly. Exactly.
yeah. Thank you so much for inviting me, and I hope that in the next time, if you don't mind, please invite me again to come in your platform to speak. Yeah.
Definitely. Oh my God. Yeah. It's really amazing for me. Thank you, sir, that you also like he also came here, and you also like joined with us. Seriously, we are really very we are really very glad to meet you, and yeah. So we will continue next time. And thank you so much again, once again. Jai Hind and
Welcome.
Jai Bharat. Hi. So, have you noticed? This is not only and only our problem. This language is every problem. That person is from Indonesia, but that person also learn now, and that person also trying to learn this language now, you can say. But that person also can speak very confidently, so that person can do everything. Why can you not do anything? So just try to speak, and just try to make a practice, and definitely everyone can speak in English, just like as a Sudirman. He also telling to us, he also he also doesn't know about Hindi language, and I also doesn't know his native language, but still we both are able to talk to each other. We both are able to communicate to each other just because of this global language. Okay, so that's why I'm just telling to you, to everyone, this is really important, and this is really great to create unity, to build a business, to go further, and to getting a dashing service. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, press the bell icon. Bye.